Hey guys, this is Naman sharing about WordPress and freelancing, and in today's video I'm going to share how we can create a transparent header in WordPress with free Elementor. So without further ado, let's start this video. So right now we can see on our current website we have a header with a white background and it's not transparent, and we want it to be like this. So let's start with the very first step. The first step is installation of plugin, for which we will go to our WordPress dashboard. Click on plugin and then add new and search for Elementor header and footer. So the very first one, by Brainstorm Force, we will install this plugin and then activate. Once we activate this plugin, we can find it under appearance. Here it is. Next, we will create a new template for our header, for which we will click on add new. Now we name down our template, which is header. Next, we will select the type of template. We are going to create the header, that's why we will go with this. Once we select the type of template, it will ask for the display condition. In my case, I want to set this header on entire website. After this, we will click on publish. And now if I visit the website and there is no header, it's just because we published the empty template. That's why now there is no header appearing. So what we will do? We will set this template to the draft. Click on OK and update. And now if we reload our website, we will be able to see the default header. First, we will copy this design using Elementor and then publish our template, and then our transparent header will override this default header. So let's design the header. Now we will click on edit with Elementor and start designing our transparent header. As we can see, this is a header with the 3 columns. So we will select a section with 3 columns. Next, we can see this header is in full width with some padding from left and right. That's why we will set our section to the full width and set some padding in percentage. From left it's 2, from right it's 2, and from top and bottom it's 0.5 and 0.5. So we are done with the layout. Now we will set the elements. In the very first column we have a logo. For that, we will drop image element in the very first column and then select our logo from the media. Right now it's in center, but in default header we have this logo in left align. That's why we will set this logo left align. Now we are done with the very first column. Next, we have navigation menu. For that, we will go to the left toolbar and search for navigation and drop this element in the second column. So now we have our menu too. We just need to center align this. For that, we will go to the layout and set it to the center. So our column 2 is also complete. Now the third column, in which we have a button. For that, we will again go to the left toolbar and search for button. Here it is. We will drag this button and drop in the third column and set it to the right align. So as we can see, our header is ready. Now we will click on publish and refresh the site. As we can see, now we have our new header, but it's still white and not transparent. For that, we need to do some minor settings. We will go to the setting of this section and go to style and set its color to the transparent. As we can see, we need this banner just behind our header for giving this header a transparent look. For that, we will set some negative margin. First, we will uncheck this, so it will just change the bottom margin. Let's give 50 and then negative. Now if we click on update and refresh our site, As we can see, our header is transparent now, but we can see some white spacing at the top of banner. For this we just need to give some more margin. Let's suppose 100 and then click on update and refresh. Now as we can see, our header is completely connected at the top of website and our header is completely transparent now. So in this way, if you have any website for which you are not able to make much customization with header, you can just install this plugin and make a custom header and display it on entire site. I hope through this video you get some knowledge, and if you want to see such more videos on WordPress as well as freelancing topics, feel free to let me know in the comment box. And if you like the video, like and subscribe.